as we have already completed the few portions of partnership basic concept, in which we have learned the format of peer appropriation account, partners capital account in both fluctuating and fixed capital method, and we learned the calculation of interest on drawing, interest on capital. Now we are moving towards the past adjustment. The adjustments related to past, that if there is some error or we have committed some error that we have not provided something to the partners, that all things we are going to learn now. So one question I have taken, in that question the balance sheet as at 31st March 2018. The ending balance sheet, the end of the year, the balance sheet comprises of liabilities in capital. Two partners are there, A and B. Their capitals are 60,000 and 20,000. And assets are 80,000. And in this question it is told that profit is 30,000, the ratio between the partners is 3:2, and in this question we have not provided the interest on capital to the partners at the rate 12% per annum and the salary to a partner of rupees 1,000 per month. So these all things are omitted in the question. In the solution we have not done these all things. So this is the adjustment which we have to make now. So as you all know that interest on capital is always taken out on opening balances of capital, and here we are getting the opening capital as on 31st March 2018. This is the closing capital. So firstly in this question we have to calculate the opening capital, then only we will be able to adjust the wrong things which we have not yet made. We will make the corrections. Okay. So firstly we are going to make the calculation of opening capital. So how to calculate opening capital? So closing capital which is given in the question 60,000 and 20,000, that we have to write down. We have to add drawings in that. Drawings is given that 10,000 for A and 20,000 for B. It is given in the question. We have to add the drawings and we have to subtract the profit which has been already credited. That is 30,000 we have divided into 3:2, that already credited in the partners capital account without providing them interest on capital and salary. So the profit which we are going to distribute here, we are going to subtract this profit. Okay. So 30,000 is divided into 3:2, it will come 18,000 and 12,000. So format of calculating opening capital is closing capital plus drawing minus profit. In this way for both the partners we are going to calculate the amount, and it will come opening capital as 52,000 and 28,000. These are the opening capitals of the partners. Now what mistake we have committed is that we have not yet provided interest on capital and salary to A and distributed all that profit. So we are going to calculate interest on capital. 52,000 is the opening capital, 12% is the rate, it will come 6240, and on interest on capital the 28,000 amount for the second partner, 12% 3360 it will come. Now we are going to make the adjustment table, and how the mistake which we have done and how we have to correct that mistake, the entry we will pass and we will make the adjustment table. Okay. Okay, so this is the adjustment table, okay, which we have to make for the correction of the entries which we have not yet made. So it is told in the question that we have omitted that we have not provided interest on capital to the partners and we have not provided salary to A. Now we are going to provide it. So here 3 columns I made for A, for B and for C. What we have to debit in A's capital and credit, what we have to debit in B's capital and credit, and what will be the credited and debited from the firm's point of view. Okay. So if we are going to provide interest on capital to A, it is a fayda, it is a earning for the A, it is a gain for A's capital, because they are going to get interest in their capital. So it will be credited, the amount which we have calculated around 52,000, 12%, that will come 6240. We are going to credit the capital account of A. Now for B also interest on capital, it is a income for the B. So in credit side we are going to put it as 3360, and the total amount which will be debited from the firm, because providing interest on capital to the partner is an expense for the firm. So they are going to debit from the firm this particular amount 9660. 9600. As we are making a PL appropriation account, so in PL appropriation account, this interest on capital is always debited, and in partners capital account, interest on capital is credited to the partners capital account. That's why here we have provided, and that's we have made the debit entry. Now salary to A is going to get the salary 1000 per month, so 12,000 will be the amount and debited from the firm. So now what the mistake we have done is that 21,600 amount we have distributed to the partners without providing these all things. How? So wrong distribution is that this 21,600 amount we have distributed to the partners in their ratio 3:2. Okay. This 12,960 and 8,640 we have distributed in the form of loss to the partners, which we have debited from their account 12,960 and 8,640. Now we are going to do the calculation. So we have made that we have to debit the account 12,960 and we have to provide to A 18,240. So now the difference amount, before the amount was this one, and now the A is going to get 18,250 after the adjustment. So 5,280, the difference between these two amounts, we are going to credit to the A's capital account. Again I am telling you that A should get this 18,240 as interest on capital and salary, but he has not got. Instead of that, 12,960 loss we have debited from A's capital. Now how much amount extra we have to pay to the A is the difference between these two, 5,280 we are going to credit in the A's capital account. Same as B also, this loss has been distributed as 8,640 and 3,360. 3,360 only this B is going to get after the adjustment, but he got 8,640. So the difference between these two will come 5,280, and this we are going to debit from the B's capital account. Okay. So now adjustment entry we are going to pass it as B's capital account debit. We have to debit the B's capital account, and to A's capital account with the same amount we are going to credit the A's transaction. So this is the format, or there are different ways through which you can make the adjustment of past adjustment. So you can try that also. It is not compulsory that in this way only you have to follow and you have to make the adjustments for past adjustment. But if you want to follow some different rules also, or different format also, you can. Okay, so I think that this past adjustment topic is clear to everyone. In such a way you can do the adjustments. This question was related to the opening capital calculation of also, and if opening calculation is not there, you can directly make this format and you can start making the adjustments. Okay.